What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on Cardano ADA. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will show you the total sentiment of the crypto market in general. And at the end of this video, I will tell you my forecast for the probable price action. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we have two possibilities. First of all, from this point, as you can see, let me show it to you more thoroughly. I have my main Elliott wave breakdown like this. This is the first wave, second, third, fourth and fifth. And potentially we finished the fifth wave. And this means it is only one wave on a greater scale. And this is why I pulled the Fibonacci retracement from very bottom to the very top. And we have the level of 0.236 as our first Fibonacci level. And we hit it right after we hit this top. And we hit it, and from this point we might have a trend reversal and we might have a continuation of the trend. But we have about 15% probability to have this price action. Otherwise, 85% shows us that we have more chances to go lower. And from this point, as you can see, we are forming some kind of ascending triangle. And I've told you, if we will break this triangle, then retest it from the top and have a good reaction from the same line, from the support/resistance. And with the good volume, we will exceed the previous level of this breakout. This means we remain bullish, and this means we might have a trend continuation. But as you can see, we have 2 consecutive days of rejection with these weeks, and that's why I'm still bearish, quite bearish, with this price action. And I will show you my technical analysis in several minutes, and for now let's continue with the total sentiment of the crypto market. And for now, the total market cap is $2.27 trillion, and it's up for 3.45% over the last day. And as you can see, all major cryptocurrencies are in green, only Cardano has a sideways movement. And we have to be cautious because we have to establish new trend and we don't know what will be the direction of this trend. That's why we have to be cautious. And let me show you the market cap of Cardano. It has for now $93.86 billion and its total tradable volume is slightly above $5 billion, and it is down for about 30% during the last 24 hours. So the volume is moving down, and that is why we have some concerns about next potential leg and its direction. And let me show you a general forecast for the entire crypto market. We are on Yahoo Finance, and this article was published on September the 2nd, and it's titled "Cardano hits the $3 mark for the first time as analysts predict Super Bull cycle." And let me quote you this: "Cardano's rally coincides with the launch of its Alonso testnet as the network prepares for the mainnet launch later this month. The Alonso upgrade is expected to usher the numerous changes to the Cardano blockchain, including the introduction of smart contract features. With the ability of smart contracts, the Cardano blockchain can host a wide range of decentralized finance protocols and NFTs. DeFi and non-fungible tokens are some of the hottest fields in the crypto space, and they are gaining massive adoption globally. Hence, the possibility of NFTs and DeFi coming to the Cardano blockchain is enough to cause a rally." And we have this forecast. The crypto market has been in a bullish trend over the past year despite the slight correction experienced over the summer. Despite the impressive performance displayed by the broader cryptocurrency market, some analysts believe that we are set to enter a super bull cycle. And I have to say that I agree with the majority of analysts, because technically we have more chances to go higher globally, but for now we have more chances to have a slight pullback from this bottom, according to Cardano's price action, to some levels at around maybe $2 or $2.50 mark. And this pullback will give the opportunity to collect more steam to break next all-time high. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let me show you the general position of this token And my main assumption was that from this bottom we have this as our first wave, this bottom is the retracement to the second, and we are forming the third wave. And usually the ratio between first wave and third wave is 1.618. This means third wave should be 1.618 times longer than the first one. But let me show you this. If I switch to Cardano US dollar pair calculated by TradingView on Binance, let me show you that we have more data right here. And if I turn on the log scale, we have this price action. And from this bottom, we have completed all 5 waves. And let me show it to you. This potentially might be the first wave, second, third one, fourth, and fifth one. And in this case, if this is the real case, and I don't think that it might be something else, we have more chances to have an extension in fifth wave compared to third one at the level of 0.786. And let me switch again to our price chart, and right here this price action means that we already hit the 0.786 level. Let me turn off this log scale. We already hit the 0.786 level. And it is quite obvious that we have this type of price action, because a lot of people, a lot of traders take profit right here in order to re-enter the position somewhere in the lower points. And if this assumption is correct, we have to have a major retracement and we have to unload the entire structure. But also we have a possibility to have an extension in our fifth wave. And in this case, our target remains the same. So, what to expect next from the technical standpoint? In my opinion, we have to take a look on this price action, and if we will hit this support line, the bottom line of this ascending triangle, and then bounce back from it, we still have a possibility to go higher. And if we will exceed this level, this means it is not a false breakout, it is a real breakout, and with a good volume. Volume should be higher than these bars. And in this case, we might see a trend continuation to our primary target at level of $4.91. Otherwise, if we will break this support line, it will be first red flag. Second red flag will be if we will break this level of $2.69. And if we will break it, this means we will definitely hit lower levels, at least 2.5 and even 2.2 and $2 marks, in order to unload the entire structure. And let me show you that we still have a bearish divergence right here. And bearish divergence is when you see lower highs on RSI, and we have basically 3 peaks, and we have higher highs on the price action. So we have consistently higher highs on the price action with the lower highs on RSI. And from this point we might go lower to unload this bearish divergence. On top of that, we have a crossover right here of these two lines, and we started to tick to the downside. And it is also quite bearish sign. And if you want to enter your position for the long term with Cardano, I encourage you to wait until we will see some confirmation of the trend. And if it will be the bearish trend, and I am sure that it might be only a short-term bearish trend, in this case, lower levels from 2.5 to $2 price point might be your potential entry levels, where you can load up your position with this token. And I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!